Welcome, from the XIAOMI Mi 9 Lite, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up the standalone contacts app, which is right here, Google Contacts, and from there tap on the three bars right here and go into the settings, where you should see at the bottom import option and choose SIM card. So you want to import from SIM card, tap on OK, and you should see all your contacts on the SIM card. By default they're all selected, so if there's contacts that you don't want to, simply deselect them. And from there, once you're satisfied with everything, tap on the check mark, 2 SIM contacts imported, and now we should have 3, as you can see. So there we go, and that is how you would import them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.